How to get Bybit copy trading notification. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to enable notification for Bybit copy trading. First step, after you open up the Bybit app like this, so you go to your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, so you now tap on this all services button. After you tap on the all services, so then you scroll all the way to down, you tap on this OSS trade button. After you go to trade, now you tap on this copy trading button. So under the copy trading, so now you scroll to down and select the person you want to copy his trade. So let's say I want to copy the trade of this person. I'll open the person profile. So you tap on the person profile. So after you tap on the person profile, now if you want to enable notification for this trade, you just tap on this option here, the notification bot icon, this one. After you tap on the notification icon, as you can see it says subscribe, you will receive notification about this trade. So that's it guys on how to get Bybit copy trading notification.